Hi guys, here is the Webley Hurricane. Let's see what it's all about. As you can see, it's got in a lovely presentation box. Pretty much the operating instructions are on the inside of the box, as you can see. Okay, we have the care and maintenance card. And then we have the original Webley and Scott guarantee card. Okay. Okay, so the Webley Hurricane. Pretty much the Premier Mark II, they lacquered it, and this followed on after that. So this is it's not blued, it's pretty much lacquered finish and plastic. Very well made, still made in Birmingham. I think from 1977 to 2005. This one's in gorgeous condition. It actually says this one is a 177 caliber. For people who don't know, these have rolling pins inside. So it's not that it's missing pins, which you might think. It's the pins are on the inside. Super condition. It's got a lovely sight. What a lovely little gun. Okay. It came with the original Webley tag and Allen key. And we have the original metal target sight target. Okay, let's have a look at the maintenance manual. That's quite a big thing. Okay, so it has the parts list on the back. Basically how to operate the gun, how to cock it, and that goes on to the second page too. So right, and then we have the original registration card. Just fill out your details and send it back to them, but it'll be a bit late, wouldn't it? They're not in Birmingham anymore, so, but what a lovely little gun. Nice one. Well, quick review and lovely.